Users can view and select huddles directly in a SharePoint list. Once the user has entered the huddle, she may begin interacting with collaborators immediately in the web-based chat interface. GameTime lets you easily see the real-time presence and status of your team members. You can easily change your status by typing in a new status message, and you can change your presence by selecting one of three values. In this case, we'll set our status to busy. GameTime built a rich web-based task management interface on top of SharePoint 2010. The My Tasks tab lets you see tasks assigned to you. You can see all of your team's actions by clicking on the Actions tab. You can filter the results using the free text search input. You can also add comments from the chat stream directly to the task by dragging and dropping messages from the chat stream to the task. The comments are stored directly in SharePoint using append-only fields and not in an external database. GameTime lets you add tasks directly from the dashboard using standard SharePoint interfaces. You can create task dependencies by adding task predecessors. The tasks use standard SharePoint task fields. We can also associate dependent tasks as well. The effort estimate is used to calculate the % complete dynamically. Once the task is added, it immediately shows up in the dashboard in real time. You can see it's also associated with the user presence, and a notification is displayed directly in the chat stream. GameTime reports provide an integrated view of your huddle tasks using standard SharePoint views. You can see the views displayed in a drop-down in the huddle dashboard. Selecting a view will load the report in the huddle dashboard. The views behave just like standard SharePoint views. We can select other views as well. You can modify existing reports or create new views simply by using the standard SharePoint list settings. GameTime is designed to be easy to configure. All configuration is done directly in the SharePoint interface. The GameTime configuration list contains the settings for GameTime, which administrators can configure right in the SharePoint interface. GameTime uses standard SharePoint content types as a starting point for all huddle artifacts. You can easily extend the content types with organization-specific metadata by adding existing site columns or creating new ones.